Wait, hold on. Do we have a measuring cup or
No,
something?
it's okay.
No, that's your job.
Measuring
2, 1.
spoons?
Hello, Delta Do-Yourselfers. Today, we're making organic brownies to be exact. And the kitchen's currently occupied right now, so we're doing this right here on the couch. So, first things first, Meatball, do you want to grease the pan a little bit?
Oh, absolutely.
Just use the oil, just pour the oil in here. Pour the oil in there, then spread it around with the paper towel. And I will open up this bad boy right here. And gonna be completely honest, guys, looking at the picture, they don't look the best. Cause I mean, they are organic, so it probably checks out. I mean, that's one way to do a meatball.
Yeah, I was just gonna.
It smells like brownie mix.
Also,
so
how are we just gonna like guess how much of what we need?
Yeah,
we only need the eggs, or just 2 eggs.
Yeah, you're in charge of the measurements. Meatball, you're a numbers guy. So we're just gonna break this down a little bit. Meatball, did you do it yet?
I'm getting it.
Just pour it in and then just wipe it with the paper towel.
Okay, bud.
You don't have to pour it on the paper towel. Alright, so I'll put this here for now to not make a mess. That just stays there. Sure. Stays there. Now we're gonna use the 2 eggs right here. I feel like I have to do it. I feel like I have to crack it on the bowl, unfortunately.
Oh, do that for sure.
So we got
So
that.
that'll be really.
Open up nice, no shell. Solid.
Okay.
You know, getting some on the pants a little bit. Not too big of a deal. Boom. No shell whatsoever. So we got the 2 eggs in there. Make sure I don't get any yolk anywhere. Alright, Meatball. So we need, I believe we need a couple tablespoons
There's hand sanitizer there.
of water. Yes, we need,
Couple tablespoons of water.
Just
Okay.
in the wedge.
yeah, 2 tablespoons of water and a half cup of vegetable oil. So that's your job.
Okay. Oh boy, hands are full here.
No, you're good. Yeah, you can take the eggs. They're good to go.
Okay. 2 tablespoons of water?
Yeah,
Okay.
2 tablespoons.
Alright, so
Alright.
that'll probably be like a. Here, we'll just do kind of a.
That's like 8 tablespoons, but we'll make it
No,
work.
it's not. It's about 2.
About 2.
Sure.
A tablespoon of water.
Yeah,
And
it's
now
not
we-
a teaspoon.
And now we need a half cup of vegetable oil.
Okay. A half cup. Here we go.
Yeah, half cup of vegetable oil. Just eyeball it.
Or actually, I just want to see like how much.
Wait, what's your reading?
It's a. You said a cup of vegetable oil, right?
Half a cup. Half a cup.
Half a cup. Okay.
That's
So
too
that's
low.
about. So that this is actually. This is a whole cup right here, but we'll do.
Big numbers, guy. I would put a little more than that. I mean,
Yeah,
that's
a
the amount
little
of water you put in. I would put in more.
A little more. Okay.
Alright, sure.
That'll work.
We'll do that. Now, to
Alright.
keep in mind, people at home, you should always measure your ingredients, especially for baking. But when you're doing this on the fly on the Dell channel, we're making it work. We're just mixing it around. Getting the powder in there. Starting to look more and more like brownie mix. And we're using the whole mix this time. You know, previous history there.
And we are using all on-brand ingredients. No,
Oh my god.
no like sketchy street corner eggs or oil or gross water. I think we need more water, don't you think?
We need more of something. Because this is, yeah.
You need more solids.
Yeah, we need more liquids, dude.
Right.
I thought you said it was too much water.
It's very powdery right now.
Smoke's coming off.
It looks thick to me.
Yeah, pour some more oil or something in
No,
here.
you need water, like for sure.
I need water.
Yes. Here, we'll give you like that much.
Bro, this
It'll be good. It'll be good. Work with me, guy.
Meatball, there is more water than oil in here. I swear to God.
There's more oil in than water.
Oh my God. This
Is it feeling? It's feeling better though, isn't it?
I feel like it's gonna be so watered down though. Like Meatball, do you wonder why there's more oil than water? Because oil makes it taste good.
The water will cook out.
We're hoping. Okay.
Yeah, when it bakes, most of the water gets I don't know whatever the word for that is.
Evaporation.
Oh my god.
Maybe write it down.
Okay, I want Meatball. What do you think of this batter?
I think it
those
looks
pieces.
great, Dirk.
All right, so we got this batter right here. Hopefully you can see it, and I'm not, pointing at it.
actually
we can
put a
see it.
little more oil
Awesome.
in there.
Wait, we're putting more? I think it's pretty
More?
good.
Yeah, I think it's good.
Like,
I think it-
lightly greased.
Oh, like in the pan?
Yeah, that's what you told me to do.
Yeah.
More
I
stuff.
thought you were gonna do it again.
So,
No, yeah, put this in here.
and where are they?
All right, this should be good.
That's them.
So we're just
3
gonna
stops away now.
twirl that.
Yeah,
a
very
little bit.
smooth. I think it says to whisk until it's smooth, right?
I mean, it's pretty smooth. I mean,
It's about. Oh,
no, that's fine.
okay.
We're good.
Okay. We'll
I'll
work.
just lick it later.
All right.
Then we're gonna pour this in here. Did you do the sides as well?
Yes, I did.
Okay. Well, that's pretty glossy.
Mm,
I don't know what's gonna taste though. Like it looks good, but that
Okay.
doesn't mean it's gonna taste good.
I don't want to use my fingers in that, but I want to get the rest of that out of there.
Just kind of shake it till you make it, I guess.
Oh,
Yeah.
I'll grab a fork real quick when we get here. Hold on to both of those. I'll grab a
You
fork.
need a fork?
Yeah, I can grab a quick.
Trying to work on the kitchen.
All the batter we paid for.
Exactly. All right, just scrape it out. A spoon could work too, as well.
This will be a little tedious, that's for sure. Wait, why don't I get a spatula? That'd have been way smarter.
Yeah, but like a flat spatula.
Mm.
Yeah, you can just take the fork.
All right here.
What happened to you?
Just trying to get the batter out.
A flat spatula in particular.
That should work.
What do you got?
My hands are full.
Why is it dirty? I don't like that.
2 stops away.
Okay.
And let's see,
While we're waiting, yeah, we're pretty much just making organic brownies. So far, I'm not gonna lie, like looking at it in the pan, it is more liquid than I would like, but that might just mean we just have to cook it longer. Because I believe the bag said 33 to 37 minutes for an 8x8 pan,
Okay.
and we have an 8x8 pan, so maybe we'll have to cook it for like,
Oh, see, there's still.
we have to cook it for 40 to
There's still
45
powder in
minutes.
there, dude.
That's fine.
It's okay. It'll...
We didn't have the best bowl in the world, but it's
He
fine.
moved again.
Seems like there's a lot of powder.
Yeah.
Other side of the
That's on me, that's on me.
You can still kind of mix it a bit.
Yeah, you can definitely still mix it in there.
Just you. Okay. Alright, we can call that.
Alright, just put it in there, grab the bowl.
again,
I grab the whisk.
update delivery and stuff.
Now, due to my fault, I'll take the blame for this one. Now, there's still a little more powder in there, so I'm just gonna, do a quick audible and still whisk it in the pan to make sure all of the powder is
I'll give you
incorporated.
the last bit of it.
Oh, we're really milking this, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, that should be
The
good.
more you need more brownies. in
That
your
should be
life.
good.
One brownie.
You can eat that if you
Stuff in
want.
the 2 bedrooms, and that's
Give it a taste test before it goes in.
This is
Extra raw egg.
so still good stuff.
That was good. A little bit of, tiny bit of crunch in there, but that's okay.
yeah, more liquid than I want,
That's the shell talking.
but I didn't get any shell in it, bro. But yeah, Meeple, do you want to do the honors and take this to the oven?
Yep,
And
I'll
we can-
switch with you.
we can switch.
Copy.
Yeah, so
Oh,
Meeple's
what does this have to bake at again? 325?
350
350.
for like 35 minutes. But
How's it going, do-it-yourself family? We've got these amazing brownies that Dirk and I made. So we used a particularly special mix of brownie mix.
organic brownie mix, yeah.
We made it a little bit informally, as you know. We mixed all the ingredients right here in this room. It wasn't super exact, but I think the work we did shows for itself. So, what did you think of everything? How it went?
I mean, the process, it was a little, how you say, I mean, I don't want to say like DIY, but it was very kind of rogue because we didn't really have, I mean, the kitchen was occupied. So the best we could do is just put it on the couch, you know, put it all in one bowl. So mixing was kind of difficult, and we didn't measure it at all. But by definition, these are definitely brownies for sure. So I'm down to you're good.
All right.
I mean, they be better from frosting. You liking them? These are actually good brownies. I can't really tell if they're organic or not, being serious.
Yeah, I can't really either.
These do taste like regular brownies.
Do they taste like they were mixed on a couch?
I mean, I wouldn't know.
They're made with happiness and love.
They are a little dry, but that's like the only critique I would have. Like the flavor's there for sure.
I don't think they were dried out at all. Well,
How long
I
did
mean,
you
the
cook
top
them?
layer
I
kind
thought
of
it was
was.
gonna be wet. How is it dry?
There we go. It might have been just a corner piece. I don't know.
A crust?
Oh my god. Like this one's better actually.
I think the consistency turned out fantastic.
Surprised this worked out so well.
What are these called? Miss something?
They're Miss Brown's organic brownies, something like that.
Oh wait. Oh, we got the bag right here.
Right in the corner.
Oh,
Yep, Miss Jones.
Darn. Miss Brown
Good-
brownies.
Close though. Yeah, from scratch taste. I would say
Also, the corner pieces are a little dry, but
that's kind of what you can expect.
but more
from
the edges and the
brownies.
centerpiece are really good. So I would give this a solid. I mean, I'm a big chocolate person. I want to say like 8.5, 8.5.
Yeah, very rich taste, very chocolately.
Maple, you giving
Taste
it
that
an
you'd expect.
8.2?
I'm giving it an 8.5.
All right. But yeah, I mean, organic Miss Jones organic brownies are really good, and yeah, you guys should try it.
Yeah, and if you want to have a little fun with baking, then yeah, you don't have to go perfectly by the recipe. Add your own ingredients, put your own spin on it. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching.
Check you out next.